There are?
On the of the there is see, can I put on the track? It's way about. See, can I put on the track?
Do you need help? Let Mama help. Okay, everything on the track now. Mm-hmm. What else?
I can get this now for you.
Okay. This one? Okay, and this one. Alright, look, now you can write.
Now this put here.
Okay.
And this put here.
Okay.
And this one, uh-oh.
Oh, let Mama help. Okay.
It says all that. And stop here.
Mm-hmm.
If you know what we talk like, this turn around. Backward. Stop here. See, 1, 2 is not wrong, Mama.
Mm-hmm. It's not working.
Make the wood tackle in.
Okay.
See, this one is good. Still work.
Mm-hmm.
And this one didn't work.
Mm-hmm.
It's down the truck and out.
Draw the tack and away. Okay.
Uh-oh.
Uh-oh.
No, go to
Turn the bridge. Shall we go now?
Yeah.
Okay.
And correct here. So this one.
Uh-oh, something on the track here. It's a stop sign. Let Mama help. Okay.
See this blocking.
Mm-hmm.
And car can go now.
Mm-hmm.
Go up the bridge.
Yes.
See, this car's blocking.
Yes. The road is broken. Let's fix for the car. Push a little bit. Now the car can run. Mm-hmm. Okay.
No, this is raining.
The lamp.
No, it's rain.
The ramp. Oh, it's raining. Okay.
Cannot go.
Mm-hmm.
Let's push a little bit.
Mm-hmm. Okay. Ooh, better? Mm.
And this also rain too.
Oh.
This is rain too.
Okay. Thank you.
Now everything is good.
Good.
Now open. See? Oh. Let's see why.
Okay, where the train go? So push the 2 engine. There's 2 head engine waiting over there.